Hey guys, so I posted a short earlier, and it was about this panel. I'm currently landing the feeder wires in the bottom of this panel. I've already got the top landed. So down here in the bottom, we've got our main breaker, we've got our neutral lug, and we had another neutral lug over here. Well, what happened is these two neutrals are smaller than the two neutrals that are coming in the bottom. These are 400 kc mil, and I need to land these two. So these are 250. Two 400 kc mils would not fit under this lug, so I had to change this lug out. Well, in the process of changing a lug in a panel, there's some things that you need to do to ensure that the install is done correctly. So the first thing is you need to get it assembled the same way that you took it apart. So everything needs to line up and overlap the same way. So as you can see, the order of the parts there, that needs to be the same order over here. So that's what we've got. Then I had to reach out to the manufacturer to get the torque spec on this bolt. This is the lug mounting bolt. I needed to get the torque spec for that. So I've already reached out, got the torque spec for that, got it torqued down. Now the next thing that I need to do is, this is obviously a different lug, so it's going to have different torque specs for the set screws. And the torque specs for this panel come with the panel. But guess what? This lug did not come in the panel. So now I have to reach out to the manufacturer of the lug and get them to send me the torque spec for this double stacked lug. So then what needs to happen is you need to make sure everything lines up nice. You strip your wires back correctly, you land them in your lugs, and you torque them down to spec before you can continue on. So before you electricians out there just start swapping lugs in a panel, you need to know the correct process, because if something happens and this panel catches fire or blows up or anything bad happens, if this was not done correctly, the warranty is void on this panel and everything in it. So this is very, very important. If you want the manufacturer to uphold the warranty and you want them to back you up on your installs, then you need to do these lug swaps correctly, breaker swaps correctly. There's torque specs for everything, and it needs to be done correctly. So again, I just wanted to elaborate on the short that I posted earlier about swapping this lug out. If you all have any questions or comments, or if I've said anything wrong, please leave it down in the comments and let me know what I did wrong or what I did right, or if you've got any more questions. And I'll gladly get back to you. I try to stay on top of the comments and get back as fast as possible. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll let you see the top one more time. And be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and y'all have a great day.